At Mindful Money, we are about one thing and one thing only. We are about financial education for everyone. The reality is that the total lack of financial education falls the hardest on those who start with the least. We're all going to make mistakes as kids with money and as young adults with money. But for example, my kids will not suffer from those early financial mistakes the same way I did, because my current family has more resources than my family of origin had. In other words, I can overcome any mistakes. I can help my kids overcome any mistakes they make, whereas my parents were unable to do that for me. Now, I want to make sure all families have access to basic financial education so we can minimize those mistakes. We simply cannot bridge the wealth gap or solve the retirement income crisis without financial education. The one question I get asked the most is the retirement income question. The question is, do I have enough to retire? Or if I'm still approaching retirement or still a ways away from retirement, am I on the path to have enough for retirement? And if not, how do I make sure I get back on that path? I've answered this question in all of its sort of glorious complexities with deep financial planning and lots of in-depth analysis for thousands of families over the last 3 decades. For myself, I've done that plan, but for myself, I keep coming back to this simple spreadsheet to keep myself on plan. This is my personal retirement plan spreadsheet, and it will completely answer both of these questions for the vast majority of people out there. There are lots of advisors out there charging thousands of dollars in fees that aren't doing this for their clients. This simple spreadsheet will do more for most people than most financial advice. I'm going to give it to you for free. And I hope you download it, and I hope you take advantage of it. And I'm super happy to share it with you and welcome you to the Mindful Money community. When you get it, you'll want to save it somewhere that you'll be able to come back to it over and over again. This is literally something I come back to over and over again, partially because I'm a spreadsheet nerd, partially because I'm, anxious about money, but also because I want to know, changes in the world. How does that affect the long-term outcomes? Once you download it, you're going to be able to create your own retirement income plan. You're going to be able to run multiple retirement income scenarios, and you're going to be able to stress test your plan. I hope you'll get it. I look forward to seeing you inside.